Hey guys, day1 here, and guys, yeah, it is finally that time. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going for a fishing trip. Boat's all hooked up, about 6,000 pounds. Hopefully the truck can carry it. Yeah, I have my phone so I can do some really good slow motion. Anyway guys, yeah, we'll get right back after the intro. Okay, the boat's in the mirror and we are ready to go. Alrighty. Okay, so we're at the river and there's not really anyone here, there's just a couple of people. And we got a log over here, so that's gonna be a problem. Anyway, we got the boat, we got the thingy set up so that the rain can't get in. It's not really raining though, I don't see any rain. Truck's over there, train station, train tracks over there. And yeah, I think this is gonna be pretty good. Yeah, hoping for the best. Okay people, I think we're off.
Take the wheel?
Huh?
Take the wheel?
Sure. Here, you want to record?
No, I gotta open up the thing. I can't see anything. I'm tripping over my own shoe.
Just go straight out.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're up to full speed. I don't think you can see out that window, it's still a little bright. But we're in the cabin right now. Ahoy, mateys! Alrighty. Yeah, we just hooked up the anchor to the thingy, and we accidentally put it over the rail and set it through. Oh no, Dad! I think it just broke.
That's good, that's what we want.
Oh. Okay. That way the boat's turning around now because we put our anchor down. Now it's like pulling us. Oh yeah, let's
try to shove it over that.
That right there. Yeah.
While you're there, flip it onto the other. I want it just like that, but on the right side.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do. Oh, my camera doesn't slide.
Nice life jacket. You're really teaching us boat and safety.
I know. If this didn't have rails inside, I would have a life jacket. But it has rails, so it's safe.
Perfect.
Alrighty. Alright, so we're at 19 feet right now. And got our poles. Oh, gotta sit down. Alright guys, so so far we had no luck. We have got a couple of like nibbles and stuff. I'm just in the cabin or whatever. Oh, I got some water on my lens. Hang on, let me clean that. Okay guys, so We have, I think, no, just one now. We had two going. We had my pole, my dad's pole, and we just casted out this one a little bit ago. So far, our bait has been snagged and stuff. We had herrings and stuff. We've seen a lot of stripers been jumping, guys, like a lot, like maybe 6 or 7. Alright guys, we're just about to leave, and luckily, there's a train coming. Let's give it up for Mr. Train! In here now. Of course, now I have water all over my camera. Anyway guys, we're about to take off. There we go. Guys, ever since we started going, whew, it's getting really cold. I'm shivering, guys. I'm laying there because it's just really warm. You want to see what it's like outside? All right, be my guest. All right, guys, I think we're finally back. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Yeah, all right, bye.